I need to go to the hospital.
No, your leg is fine. I saw
No,
you
I
walking
need to go to the
around.
hospital.
Okay, what happened?
I'm not sure. Yes, I do. It's in my phone, but it's in the car.
Fibbing like a pro is going to make this girl wish she hadn't. So what landed this woman in hot water with the police? A routine traffic stop spiraled into a full-blown drama. Meanwhile, two girls found themselves in hot water when they thought their car was amphibious and could take a detour to the beach. The first incident is a notable one that occurred in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, where a young woman was stopped by police for reckless driving, causing a series of dangerous situations.
Officer Agnew at the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. I pulled you over because you almost hit that car that was in the middle lane. You blew by me while I was doing the speed limit, and then you almost drove into the side of the sidewalk. Any reason or justification for that?
I may have pulled. I apologize.
You almost ran off the road and hit another car.
I apologize.
Can I see your license, registration, proof of insurance, please?
I honestly apologize. It's been a very long time.
It's been a very long time for what?
Looking for my insurance. And my
No, it's okay.
I'm sorry?
My registration. It's been a couple of nights.
Throughout the interaction with the officer, the woman stuck to her story like glue, denying everything despite the obvious signs of a pot-fueled joyride. When the officer asked about drug use, she tried to dodge the question, claiming she had a medical marijuana card, just not on her.
Okay. So I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. We're gonna do this real easy. Unlock your door. Unlock your door. And give me the papers, the weed papers that you have by your foot.
I mean, I have my medical marijuana card.
Oh, you do. You know you're not supposed to. This is not.
No, I have
that,
one
but,
too. I can show you too.
So tell me the rules of medical marijuana. Do they say anywhere on the card that you may smoke while driving? Anywhere.
I don't smoke while driving.
I can smell it coming from the car.
I know.
Smell it.
No, I don't
So let's
smoke
not
while
lie.
driving.
Oh, okay. So you just smoke in the car, then you drive?
No, I have popped it open in the car,
Yeah.
but it has reeked aroma in the car.
The
Yeah,
aroma
like-
reeked in the car. So you flew by a police car. You almost hit a car that was driving, and then you almost
I
slammed
did
into
not
the sidewalk.
hit a car
No,
on
no,
the
you
car.
didn't hit one. You almost hit one.
I did not.
Okay. Okay. Step on out of the car for me, please.
Despite her insisting that she wasn't puffing away while driving, the car smelled like a skunk convention. This made the police even more suspicious, so they asked for more proof. Things got heated as she decided to play the "I'm not listening to you" game with the officer.
Step out of the car for me, please.
All right.
I'll ask once nicely, and then we'll do it my way. Where is the weed that you're saying you popped open and it's the aroma of the weed? Where
I
is
don't
it?
have any.
Okay.
No, it's just that
I really don't have any.
I'm sorry. Just pull her back there. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you have something to say? Okay. Stay against your car. Listen. Stand against the car. Did he just tell you to do something?
Where are you coming from with that wristband? There's a wristband on your wrist?
No, please. Step over here. Stay here. Where's your medical marijuana card and where's the medical marijuana weed? Stay here.
I'm scared.
That's okay. You can be scared. Where's your medical marijuana card?
I don't have one right now, but it's at home. I have it. It's out there.
Okay. It's active and it tells you that you can just smoke weed wherever?
I can smoke. That's all.
You can smoke, that's all.
That's all. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Step over away from me for a second. Step over here. Yeah. We're not going to play this game. If you don't
No,
want to
I'm
listen,
okay.
sweetheart,
No, I'm
going to
okay.
put you in a pair of handcuffs. Stay here. And this is the way you smoke medical marijuana? This is the instructions they give you? No. Okay. Didn't think so.
Somebody else's, not mine.
I smell it, sweetheart, and you're in here. So is it hers? Is it hers?
I'm not going.
Okay. Save. Do yourself a favor. Remain silent. Could have been really easy, but you guys want to play games. I can't smell what that is. You wanna? Can you just switch? I'll search her for you, so you can go. Is that what you're doing?
Eventually, after several unanswered requests, police decided to remove her from the vehicle for further investigation.
Lydia. You want to go over here, please? Hey, I'm Officer Flink from the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department. How you doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Okay. You okay?
No, my foot's a little, like, injured.
From what?
I'm sorry, like, somebody, like, literally hit my toe, and it's been about a week, and my leg's been injured.
So have you had anything to drink tonight?
No.
Okay. You smoking any marijuanas?
Nope.
Alright. Do any other narcotics or
Nope,
prescription
absolutely
medication?
fucking not.
Okay, how you feeling? You feel alright?
I feel okay.
Okay. So there's obviously a concern you might be under the influence while you're
So
driving?
the thing is, my leg's a little bit, so my right leg, as you can see, it like literally like limps.
Okay. Well, we got different exercises we can do. You don't have to walk.
I
Okay.
know. The thing is my leg, it literally like limps.
We're gonna do seated exercises, okay?
All right.
So for the first exercise, I'm gonna check your eyes out, all right? So you see this red light right here? Right here. Yep. You're gonna follow that with your eyes only and keep your head still. Do you understand? So look at the light. Right here. Yep. Make sure you follow the light with your eyes only. Do not move your head, okay? Follow the light. You're not following it. You're like nodding off. Don't move your head. Follow the light. Don't move your head. Follow the light. You're looking like at my
I'm
chest.
sorry, my knee is hurting so bad that I cannot focus.
Your knee. I thought it was your foot.
No, it's hurting so bad.
You said it was your foot.
No, my knee and my foot. I have a serious condition.
Well, I see you got like a skinned knee from a while ago there. So you see the red
I
light
have
though, right?
nerves in my foot.
All right, check
and
it out.
my legs.
So
are-
listen, with these exercises, all right, you're not cooperating. So I'm gonna advise you of something called your Taylor warnings. Okay?
That's
Your Taylor
okay.
warnings are as follows. If you don't do these exercises, you're not going to dispel my concern that you're driving under the influence. Next, you will force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances as I know them to this point. And last, it will be used against you in court. Do you understand all that?
When asked to perform alcohol tests, she continued to refuse, claiming she needed to go to the hospital for an injured foot, despite walking normally earlier.
Okay, you're sitting down. It's got nothing to do with your foot.
Well, my foot feels like it is literally, it's not okay. I need to go to the hospital.
Well, I'm not asking you about your foot. We're doing an investigation right now. I know you're trying to cop out of
Sir,
driving under the
I'm
influence
not
by saying
trying
you're going to
to
the
cop
hospital.
out. I need to go to the hospital.
No, your leg is fine. I saw
No,
you
I need
walking
to go to the
around.
hospital.
I saw you walking around, okay? So you see the red
You
light
saw
here?
me walking around?
Yep,
you
I saw you
never
actually.
saw me.
I saw you right over there, walk over here.
The other officer said when you got out of the car you weren't limping.
Officer, I need to go to the hospital.
No, you weren't limping. You're faking that injury. We know
I'm
it.
not faking an injury. I need to go to the
All right,
hospital.
you're being placed under arrest for driving under the influence, okay?
I need to go to the hospital.
Okay, well, we'll get you checked out later on, all right? Or you're under arrest for DUI.
The incident ended with her being temporarily detained for driving under the influence of a stimulant and failing to cooperate with the police. This is a classic example of traffic violations and the negative impact of drugs on driving behavior. And in a shocking incident on May 27th, a young woman decided that driving on a Florida beach was a great idea, almost giving a child and several families an unscheduled beachside heart attack. Witnesses reported a blue car performing an impromptu sand dance, nearly turning a day at the beach into a disaster movie.
I was on the beach and there's a car. That blue car came over here and almost
Yeah, that's where we're going right now.
Yeah, he's crazy.
According to reports, the driver was cruising under the influence of alcohol and blissfully unaware that her beach drive was more Mad Max than Baywatch. The police were quickly called to the scene and approached the driver, ready to put an end to her seaside joyride.
Who's driving?
They're over there. We're just some of the people they almost hit. Like
Okay.
this little girl.
Okay, what happened?
I'm not sure. I was the driver, and they kind of stopped us, and they said that we almost hit a child. I didn't think that we did, but that's what they told us.
Yeah, well, the people are down here because you can't drive on this part of the beach.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna, and we got over here, and we were just trying to turn around. We didn't think that we could do a U-turn around here, so we were just trying to keep going.
Let me go look in the car real quick.
She admitted to driving but seemed unaware of the seriousness of the situation. She claimed she and her friend did not know driving was prohibited in that beach area and were trying to turn around when they got stuck in water.
So who was driving, you or her?
I was driving.
You were driving?
Yes. No, I didn't think that we could do a U-turn. I thought we had to keep going.
Well, there's no driving at all.
I'm so sorry. We were driving from New Smyrna. I really
But where
am
those
so
rocks are
sorry.
and those poles that say no vehicles, no driving beyond
We
that.
have a sticker that says that we were parking like on the beach. We weren't.
Right.
So I take full responsibility. I was not.
No.
Sorry.
Yes, please. Like, and then there was so many people. Like, please help us.
The situation escalated as the police determined the driver was indeed impaired and had recklessly driven through a clearly marked no driving zone.
Did anybody get it?
Right here. It was inches away from him.
Okay.
On their car to stop.
I was reading their phone.
Going, Nasa, hey, be careful! Whoa, shoot!
Yeah.
Hey,
It was so fast.
You have your license on you?
Yes, I do. It's in my phone, but it's in the car.
I would get your phone out of there. Your car's not going to be moving for a while.
Okay. Can I get it?
Yeah, go get your license and your phone.
We always had to take him back to the station and do it in the parking lot.
So what I want to do is talk to her a little bit more. She's probably going to go for DUI. So you've been drinking today.
Yeah.
Number one, not good because you're diabetic. How about you?
I did have a drink, yes.
Okay,
It
just
was
one.
early
But you
in
know
the day,
what?
yes.
My only.
Do you have a way to get home?
I'm not going home without her.
She's going to go to jail. Okay?
No.
All right, so you can go with her, or you can stay out and get her out of jail with a bond.
And why am I going to jail?
So right now, I think you're driving under the influence.
Okay.
All right? Then we got reckless with multiple people over here. You were inches away from multiple people. Okay?
I can't have her.
So go ahead and turn it up on check my back.
Oh my God. Please.
Yes. Sorry.
What do I do now?
Call the Volusia County branch jail to get her bond. It's not fit. She'll have a bond.
Despite her pleas, and probably a few tears, the police decided to arrest her on charges of playing bumper cars in real life, driving under the influence with a pint-sized passenger, and thinking she was in a Fast and Furious movie. She was hit with the first two charges. This incident serves as a stark reminder that driving under the influence is no joke, and traffic laws aren't just polite suggestions. What do you think about these cases? Let us know in the comments below. Until the next time.